What's up, guys? Today's class, I'll keep it light, okay? Let's not do some heavy topic because there is one heavy topic, but I want to do that in an offline class. I thought it will rain. It rained actually in my area, but it is not raining now. Can't help. So grab your math notebook. We'll just go one step ahead in differentiation. We'll learn something called as second order derivative. Second order derivative. So this will be like a slight revision for your wrong spelling error of it. Derivative. It'll be like a small revision for your differentiation, and it's a very light topic. Okay, like it won't give you that heavy vibes here. Why is this important? Okay, if you want me to tell in terms of perspective, one three marker, 100% three marker will come from this specific thing. But most importantly, based on this concept, there will be a five marker. There'll be a five marker proving question, which I won't be doing in today's class. But end of the day, this five marker proving question will depend on this concept called a second order derivative. Directly 3 marks, indirectly 5 marks. So totally from this specific concept called a second order derivative, you can expect 8 marks to appear in your final board exam. Okay. Now, how will the questions be? You will not find any difference. Fine. So they'll be like, find the second order derivative of. That's what it'll tell, and they'll give you a question. So first question I'll write x square plus 3x plus 2. Again, I told you today's class will keep it light. That's because then I'm thinking till now I finished off K set PYQs. I hope you guys get the thing. Okay, PYQs for electric field done. I will arrange one more class, and I forgot to tell you guys. Obviously, we'll be having holidays. Okay, like just like the way your 10th standard functions. No, we'll have a holiday. We'll have holiday for 25th, 24th. We'll meet, which is Saturday. 25th to the first, I think 2nd of June. We'll have holiday. 1 week we'll have. Okay. Now I'll tell you what to do, and obviously I'm going out. Fine. So I'll tell you what to do in this specific gap. So before Saturday, I mean, my plan is to, since I've anyways finished K set PYQ of electric field, I'll do some more important questions. I think I have around 30 to 40 important questions which I've marked down. I still haven't written it in my iPad. I will do it. Okay. So if you're able to finish this within this week, by the time I leave, if I send you a module, you'll that specific 1 week, if you can do electric field and something else, I'll tell you what to do in that specific 1 week. But we will be able to finish off physics, CET, out and out electric field completely, and we will also be able to give differentiation a small start with respect to CET. Okay, this should happen in that 1 week gap. Keep this in mind. Now, coming back to the concept, second order derivative. One question is given. They're asking you to find second order. What's the meaning of English meaning is differentiate the question twice. That's all. Now, a lot of people start tripping over this. I mean, don't add anything. Wait. First step is you equate it to y, x square plus 3x plus 2. Correct? No. Now, I'm supposed to differentiate the left hand side differentiate with respect to x. This also you will write. How do you represent it? The first order will be called as dy by dx. Now, don't get confused. First order derivative meaning differentiate the question once. If I use the word second order derivative, it means it should be represented by d square y by dx square. Now, obviously, one question, I think the other day only I told you, why shouldn't you write it as dy square y by dx square? That is because the moment you put a square on top of y, it becomes a function. Okay, so then I'm supposed to use this inner function, outer function to get the answer. Therefore, this is the wrong representation of second order derivative. Fine. So the right representation is writing d square y by dx square. So this is first order, second order. Now, there's one more way of representing. If I write y1, it means differentiate the function y once. If I write y2, it means differentiate the function y twice. Understood? So both of these things are same. Both of these things are same. Now, where is this useful? I told indirectly the second order derivative will be asked for a 5 marker. That's a proving question. There, both the representations will be used. In few questions, they'll write dy by dx. In few questions, they will write y1. In few more questions, they'll write y2 or d square y by dx, d square y by dx square. So be prepared for all of them. Don't get confused. It's the explain from starting. Nothing I explained. How do you differentiate y basically? You just write dy by dx. If you're supposed to differentiate it twice, you will write d square y by dx square. Now, instead of writing dy by dx, the other way of representing is nothing but y1. Instead of writing d square y by dx square, the other way of representing this is writing y2. That's all. So both the ways are correct. Now, which way should you choose? That depends on the question, not us. That's all. I only spoke about representation. Now let's start with the actual question. Step number 0 is actually equating the question to y and writing the statement differentiating with respect to x. Both these things are 100% important. Now left hand side becomes dy by dx. Now please don't ask me, sir, why didn't you write y1? If you want to write y1, please write it. There's nothing wrong in it. Again, you write any of these two things, you'll still get marks. Left hand side. Now in this question, I'm trying to keep it simpler. I'll write dy by dx. So there are three parts in the question. Guys, don't write, wait. There are three parts in the question. I'm supposed to differentiate each of them separately. What is differentiation of x square with respect to x? 2x, we learned the other day itself, plus what is differentiation of 3x? 3, done. What is differentiation of 2? 0, because it's a constant. This is my answer, but it is not my final answer. Why? It is telling find the second order derivative. Now focus. Second order derivative meaning you would have got your first answer, no? You're supposed to differentiate this once more. Okay? Once you get the first answer, differentiate the answer once more. So what happens to the left hand side? It becomes d square y by dx square. Okay, second order. Right now, imagine this to be the question, the new question, and start. Imagine this to be the new question and start solving it. What is differentiation of 2x with respect to x? 2. What is differentiation of 3 with respect to x? 0. Therefore, this is your answer. So if you ask me what is the final answer, one second, wait. Whatever I boxed, that is my final answer. Getting it? So second order derivative, you should not stop here. If you stop here, the answer is wrong and it is not complete. Fine. So you should be in a state to go one step ahead and then only get the answer. Now, if you ask me, sir, what if they ask you third order derivative? First of all, that won't be asked. It's not there in your syllabus. But by chance, if you have that question, same. So you'll have to differentiate the circled part twice. I mean, once more, sorry. So the answer will become 0. But don't worry, that won't be asked. So understand, second order derivative in one sentence, the definition is, if the question is there, differentiate the question twice. So step 1, step 2. And this only is your final answer. Getting it? So do not write all this crap here. I'll take it off. Only copy that. Yeah, copy this. That's the meaning of second order derivative. And all the rules of whatever we learned till now is applicable here also. All the rules are applicable. It's just that one step ahead, one step extra we're doing. That's the only new thing we're adding here. Apart from that, everything else is the same. Tomorrow, I don't know. Yeah, you should tell me if it is raining or not. Today, those people told it'll rain. I told okay. And it actually rained in my area, to be honest. So you tell, tomorrow is it raining? Tomorrow, what day? No, Thursday. Apparently, I heard two colleges and two schools which are about to start today, they postponed, it seems. One is also includes Christ. Array, nothing offline, bro. I'll keep, bro. The people won't come. They'll be like, send online link. And the problem if you go to class and send online link is there you won't get network and the stream won't be good. That's the only thing. Now here, if I'm sitting, the Wi-Fi is strong here compared to the other day. Also, it went off. Can't help. Sometimes it happens. Array, okay, bro. Fine, yeah. You check my little if it is raining or not. Then you send if you go there and the network little fluctuates there. Can't help. Anyways, others. Next question. X bar 20 is the question. What should you find? Find the second order derivative. Find the second order derivative. Try that. The answer? Fast, fast, fast. Now, I mean, you won't believe that this exact thing is a two-mark question in the board exam. I mean, I know it's very simple, but can't help. And whatever I gave you right now, that's an MCQ board exam. Just imagine the importance of it. So step zero is equate it to y, x power 20. Differentiate with respect to x, you'll write, okay? Left hand side becomes dy by dx. The power comes down dot x power. Reduce it by 1. Okay, reduce it by 1. So it becomes a. Okay, okay. Arhan, no Arhan, not required. Once you should write, that's all. 20 x to the power 19. Done. But this is not my final answer, guys. I'll have to go one more step. D square y by dx square. 20 as it is. Okay, careful, careful. 20 as it is because it's a constant. Differentiate this. 19 comes down. X to the power 18. Hey, now don't write 2019 as your answer. Dumb, dumb people. Huh? You'll have to multiply 20 into 19. Whatever the answer is, x to the power 18 is the answer. I mean, see, I tell this, I've only written so many times, like common sense because 20 is a constant there. You write the thing as it is, and automatically this 19 will. I only written so many times 2019 and come off. The answer is wrong. It has to be 20 into 19. Please don't make that mistake. Now I'm laughing based on it, but when you lose marks, no, it is kind of annoying. So 19 times 2 is 38 with a 0, x to the power 18 as it is. Hmm? Done. So this is your final answer. 380 into x to the power 18. But I mean, you will get the answer. I know that. But my focus is only on this because today's class maximum 6 questions are there. Once we are done, out of which two is done. Once we are done with this is important. The 5 marker derivation. Okay, so for that the basic is today's class. Anyways, next question. X dot cos x. Don't be dumb here, please. This is the question, second order derivative. I hope you guys realize that you're supposed to apply product rule here. But before that, um, equate it to y. Huh? ठीक है? Now, oh, Hindi. Now, dy by dx. I am not writing the statement, doesn't mean you should skip. You will write. Differentiate with respect to x has to be written there. It has to be seen there. First term as it is, dot differentiation of cos x is minus sin x plus second term as it is, differentiation of x is 1. Okay? This is the answer. Now, please rearrange it, okay? I will take the minus outside. X dot sin x plus cos x. Fine? This is important. Rewriting the question in a way that you guys can understand it. Now listen. Okay, now listen. How do you solve this? There are two parts. Part 1, part 2. Please solve it separately. But d square y by dx square, guys, please focus. The first part has a minus. You take a minus, open brackets. Fine. How do you think you'll be able to solve the first part x dot sin x? Automatically by using what? Product rule here. Don't forget. First term as it is, differentiation of sin x is cos x plus second term as it is, differentiation of x is equal to 1. I close bracket, put a plus as it is. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. These steps are essential. Okay, see the first two questions I just because it's easy. This also is easy, but more of silly mistakes for people will do. I see. To be honest, okay, I would stop here only. I would not take the risk of opening the bracket, but since I'm not having that exam pressure right now, I'll obviously open it. X dot cos x plus into minus gives you a minus sin x plus into minus minus sin x. See now what happens the moment you open the bracket? Can you see both of them? Same terms, which means combine them. Minus x dot cos x minus 2 sin x. Got it? That's it. Now I've seen this little crazy people taking minus one all common here. Hey, so much craziness not required. But I wanted you guys to understand, okay, step 1 product rule. In step 2 also product rule was there. So this also one possibility is there. Got it? Next question. Okay, after the class, okay, today's class, I'll send you the PDF what you saw yesterday. Hmm? That electric field. Keep a timer. I think there are totally around 15 questions, including the Coulomb's law. Okay, I will send the PDF, that had it in PDF, whatever I screenshot yesterday. Answer. Okay, don't get up out of after class. I will send you immediately. I want you guys to answer that. In the continue answer this question in the same book you kept for CET. Correct? No, nothing new. But I want to I want to understand how much time you guys are taking, because yesterday I explained one 24 hours gap is done. Now I want to see how much you guys remember. Anyways, next question is log x. And don't cry telling in the question, sir, why only is not there. Hey, I've seen this. I get so frustrated. They'll be like, are you guys mad or what? Obviously, log x and all will be directly only. You should be in a state to understand, okay, you should equate that to y. What's the whole point? Fine. Now you write differentiate with respect to x. Left hand side becomes dy by dx. Cool. Right hand side becomes differentiation of log x is 1 by x. We are not done with my answer. Okay. Oh, guys, now please focus. D square y by dx square. How do you find? Um, okay, listen. I'll give you a formula directly. Okay. Differentiation of 1 by x with respect to x. The answer is minus 1 by x square. Go back and write this on your formula sheet. Okay, don't forget. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Remember this. It will save you guys a lot of time. Now, how did this actually come is the x goes on top, becomes x to the power minus 1, correct? Now you can differentiate that. Write the minus 1 as it is. X to the power minus 2, it becomes the minus 1 remains as it is. And x to the power, to make the power positive, I write this. So therefore, the answer is minus 1 by x square. This is the derivation of it, but not required. Okay, don't even think over it. Learn it directly. Differentiation of 1 by x with respect to x is minus 1 by x square. It will save you a lot of time. CET especially. Got it? Okay, last question. Guys, 1 minute. Yeah. Solve this. X cube dot log x. This is the 3 mark of what I told you. And mark this question to be important. Board exam. Okay, on the side, listen, I'll give you 3 questions for homework. Please try this. Now, 100% whatever I'm giving you is kind of difficult, because this is what leads to tomorrow. Tomorrow's path, basically. Whatever we are about to solve that difficult thing. Hmm? So first question is sine of log x. Homework, okay, this is also find log of log x. Double differentiation. Along with this, find, mm, yeah, this one. E power x dot sine 5x. Okay, you try this, and even if you're not getting the answer, completely fine. I want you to try it. And the moment you try this, you'll understand as to how you'll get an idea. And based on that idea, I'll teach off that 5 marker. Correct? Next, now, if a y equals x cube dot log x, mm, you will write the statement. So the answer becomes dy by dx equals. How do you solve? Obviously, product rule. First term as it is. Dot differentiation of second term, differentiation of log x with respect to x is 1 by x, plus as it is log x dot differentiation of x cube is 3x square. It's cancelled. X square plus log x into 3x square is your answer. Okay, but I am supposed to differentiate this also again. So it becomes d square y by dx square. So first term, if you differentiate, you get the answer as 2x. Put a big plus. How do you differentiate the second part? Again, by using product rule. So first term as it is, dot differentiation of second term is 3 into 2x plus second term as it is into differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Hmm? So it becomes 2x plus 3 times 2 is 6x. So log x dot 6x plus 3x. Okay, one more, my bad. One more step you guys can go. 3x plus 2x is 5x plus log x into 6x. Correct. That's it. You try those three homework questions. Don't want the right answer. I want you guys to try it. That's it. See, I'm very confident that you guys might get this and this. But here, there is one step where everybody will get stuck. I'll see. If that till there, if you guys come, everybody will come also. But if you guys can come till that specific part where you guys get stuck, from there, explaining the five marker becomes easy. So these three things, if I solve, there's absolutely no thing. You try this. Okay, please make a note of this. All the three questions. Sine of log x. Ma careful, don't write sine x log x, then I'll slap you tomorrow. Sin x log x Allah. Sine of log x, log of log x, e power x dot sin x. Okay. Now I'll end the class, but you guys are not going anywhere. I will send the PDF right now. You will sit and start solving. Time yourself. Okay. I hope you guys understood today's class. And tomorrow's class is the derivation. So please don't miss. But right now, I want you guys to time yourself and array, why is it on flight mode? And get the answer. Answers. This will be done where? The CET book, electric field. One second, I'm sharing it. Check guys, WhatsApp. Check that. Didn't come. Hey, come see. That PDF. We solved, no? Um, I've not written the question numbers. The one in white is electric field. Sorry, Coulomb's law. From there, it is electric field mixed. I don't know how many questions are there. Approximately 14, 15 will be there. You will sit sharp 5 o'clock you start and time yourself. Okay. Um, should you sit and explain each and every question? If you feel like that you might forget, then sit and explain. Where on your book this has to be done. Okay. And please save this PDF and keep this PDF. If you guys can, okay, I should have changed the name. This is not electric field. It is electric field K-set PYQs. Okay. This is only case set previous year question from the last, I think from the last not 6 years. Yeah, 6 to 8, 6 to 7 years. It includes all the questions based on electric field question things. Gauss law is not included. Fine, this PDF is not yet complete, but electric field and whatever thing is electric field and Coulomb's law is done. Gauss law is not yet included. Correct? You will sit and start right now. Time yourself. I'll check tomorrow.